Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, running boards, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.